Let me explain this program for implementing the quiz using if, else, if and else statement wherever it is required. And here the question is you have to formulate the quiz with 5 questions and each must contain three options. And for each correct answers assign 5 marks and give minus 5 marks for all wrong choices. At last, you have to display the final score. So this is a question and you need to create a question bank. So here I have created 5 questions, but here for all 5 questions with 4 options. And let me assign the answers as for first question, the correct answer is in option 1 and second one option 2, third the option 3 and fourth one option 4 and the fifth one is option 4. So this is how I have created the question bank. Now I'll tell you how to write the code for implementing this quiz. So take the online GDB compiler I have considered for this program. So in this program, for every success of correct answers, you're going to give 5 marks and every wrong answers you're going to give minus 5 marks. So this is how the program is going to be. So for this program, you need to create two variables. One is for creating and storing the answers, and another one is for updating the score. So mark is for storing the score value, and one more variable that is we are going to read the answer from the user. So that is why this is how two variables are required for this program. So the first part you have to prompt the user about question 1. So what is question 1? Just I am copying from this file and I am going to paste it. Okay, so this is the question and it is going to, answers are going to displayed in the next line. So let me print the answers after question. So the answers are, so just the answer I'm just all the options I'm going to place and in between one by one answer you need to insert a tab space, insert slash t, just one tab space if you want, you have to give it like that. At last you have to bring the details in the next line. So now the question and the options are going to be displayed. Now you have to ask the user to choose the answer, so you have to use the scanf statement and you have to mention the access specifier for integer, that is percentage %d, and then you have to read the answer using the answer variable. So in this variable which number entered by the user will be stored here. Now you have to verify if the answer is a correct answer or a wrong answer. So now the options is for this question the correct answer is first option. So you have to say if the user entered the choice is equal to 1, you are going to store the score that is in the mark variable, that is it is going to update it with plus 5 marks. And else for every wrong answers you are going to do it as minus 5. So that is mark is equal to mark minus 5. That's it. So one set of question and its options and its answer you have read and you verified the correct option is in 1 means okay you have to give 1. If it is 2 means you have to check that is option is equal to 2. So this is how you if you have done this part, okay, the same set of code is for next next set of questions. So just copy paste, and the only thing is you have to change the question and change the options. So we are going to copy the second question fully, and you're going to replace the first question, and similarly the options, all the options you just copy and you just paste here and then insert slash t because after once per tab space it is just going to be printed very neatly. So that is why one slash t tab, or you can bring it show the option in next line. um, at the end slash n. Okay, slash n you have given, and if you're not able to see then you just reduce the size. Okay, now we can able to see slash t, and here it is given slash n. Okay, over. And the next part, you have to read the answer from the user and store it in the variable, and here the answer is in option 2. So you have to give marks for option 2 if the user entered, otherwise it is wrong. Similarly, for third question. So question 3. So the third question you have to copy paste. You just copy paste the third question, and it's next the choices of third question. So the choices are, and in between choices you insert a tab space. And here the right answer is option 3. So answer is equal to 3 means 5 marks, otherwise minus 5. And then for next set of question, that is fourth question, you just copy paste. So this is how n number of questions and the options can be created by this method, and you can ask the user to go for a test. So this is how the quiz questions and the patterns are going to be created. Anywhere if there is anything is missing in formatting, please update it. And here also the options we are going to format. So slash t, and there is a slash t, again here there is a slash t. And here the correct answer is in option 4. So that's why we are giving option 4. Then one last question, that is quest 5, and you just copy paste the question. Option, this is for option 5, and the options answers you have to do it next. So you just copy paste the answers, choices, and then insert a tab for formatting, just adding a tab space between the text options. And then here the correct answer is in fourth option, that is agriculture. He belongs to agriculture. So that's all about this program. So now all the scores are available in this mark, so that you have to display at last. Score, score is how much, that is in percent, then the specifier is required here, and the values are available in the variable called mark. So now you can run this program, and okay, first question option 1, and the second question option 2, third question 3, the fourth question 4, and the fifth question 4. So if I entered all the choices correctly, what is the final score? Here 5 questions, 5, 5, 25 marks are there. If I gave wrong answers in that aspect also, you test the program. For everything I am giving 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So only one question is correct, and maybe, okay. So the score is going in the negative direction, and you are getting marks minus the minus 50. So this is how maybe in between that I have entered some other wrong numbers. So that's why the score is going in the reverse direction. So this is how you can run the program, and you can do the testing of for every correct answer and every wrong answer, and the mixture of wrong answers also you can, and a lot of things you can do based on the score. You can congratulate the user, so you can keep on updating about all other things in this. This is a basic program in C for how to create a quiz, and how to create the options, and how to ask the user to select an option. So this is how you can interactively create a quiz program with the help of C.